Hey, what's up, guys? Stay back now video. Turn up your volume right now. And today we are on a boat. We're going to an island, and we're still in Canada. And yeah, we're on the boat right now.
There's a very loud music, so if you can't hear us, we're very sorry.
Yeah. We'll see you guys when we get onto the island. Hey guys, so now we're on the island and we found something cool. This is the phone booth that people used before there were cell phones, which we're recording on right now.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, hello.
Yeah.
Beep. Wait, what if I call them?
No. I don't think you can.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't. Look, if we press 911, you need like 50 cents or something. So this is what you used to do in the olden times when there wasn't any phones like we're using right now.
Yeah.
And you would put 50 cents in there, and you would
No,
there
you
would be,
put 10 cents before.
yeah, there would be a phone book, and you would have to search someone's last name up, and then you would call that number, right? And we'll
Hey,
see
guys.
anything else we see that we could do with you guys,
Yeah.
right?
Hey, what's up, guys? So, there wasn't really nothing fun to do at the island.
At the island.
And now we're waiting online for the boat to get here.
So yeah, this should be the end of the video because
Yeah.
there was nothing fun to do there.
Yeah.
And so we'll see you guys in the next video,
Bye.
which will not be as short as this one.
Yeah.